One of the questions I get asked the most in regards to using a flex shaft or a micro motor when it comes to polishing is, what do I use? There are so many different accessories, and how do I know when to select one over the other? I get it. When I first got my Foredom flex shaft about 13 years ago, it came with an accessories kit, and I remember looking at it and thinking, well, that's cool. I now had something to go with my new tool, but I had no idea what to do with any of them. I'm sure many of you guys have been the same. Hi, I'm Melissa Muir. I have been working with Foredom for about the past year to help demystify some of these questions. Lately, we've been working on a series to introduce you to the various accessories available and how to use them to polish your jewelry or other materials. I recently introduced you to the new line of brushes and accessories, Foredom by Oro. We have already looked at various bristle brushes, silicone and rubber polishing wheels and accessories, and now we've taken it one step further and created 14 new polishing and abrasive accessory assortments. In this video, I want to briefly introduce you to each of them and make sure that you stay tuned, as I will follow up with more detailed videos on how to use each of these accessory kits. First up is our 12-piece mounted brush assortment. It features 3 different shaped brushes and 6 different materials to handle your deburring, rust, and corrosion removal, as well as blending and surface preparation. Once you have moved on to preparing your surface, you will then move on to the mounted brush and buff assortment that features a number of natural bristle brushes for buffing and polishing with compounds. It also includes a felt and cotton buffs for producing that final finish with your favorite compounds. Do you ever find that you have small and difficult to reach places within your jewelry or other works? The 12 rubber polishing assortment is the kit perfect for getting into those tight spots, including between prongs, in between bezels, inside of tight joints, and more. This kit features extra fine, ultra fine, fine, and coarse grits in 3 different shapes. Radial discs have become a staple in many art studios. They are great because they do not require any polishing compounds. This 12-piece kit features some of the most commonly used grits in 3 different sizes. These are great for everything from light fire scale removal to a light surface texture to pre-polish and even a final polish in some cases. Speaking of surface textures, a good satin finish can be difficult to achieve, but not when you have all the right tools at your disposal. This 12-piece mounted polishing assortment has nylon satin finishers for creating, you guessed it, a satin finish. It also includes felt and cotton buffs used for polishing with compounds. In addition, the kit includes muslin, cotton, felt, and suede wheels for a finish that really pops. Have you ever had a difficult time getting a super high mirror shine on the inside of your rings? Or perhaps you are after something that can give you a nice even surface? Well, look no further, for there are 6 different assortment kits available for the sandpaper rolls. Each shank holds a 1 by 10 inch piece of premium quality wet dry sandpaper. There are 2 kits for each brand abrasive, with the most commonly used grits taking you from heavy removal to the finest finish. These assortments feature some of the finest papers from Switzerland, Germany, and Japan. You won't want to miss the video coming up on these and how to use these accessories. Finally, we have 4 outstanding unmounted abrasive assortments. Each comes in a handy storage box and includes a couple of mandrels to get you started. Each box also includes a label indicating what is in each cell. The rubber polisher assortment features 74 pieces, where you will get 6 pieces of each shape for each of the 4 grits. This kit also comes with a screw mandrel and threaded mandrel for use with the different shapes of abrasives. These are ideal for ferrous and non-ferrous alloys and other materials. Similar to the rubber assortment is the 74-piece silicone polisher assortment, featuring extra long-lasting silicone bonded abrasives. This set is suitable for grinding, smoothing, cleaning glass, high-speed steel, and other tough materials. The set also comes with a screw mandrel and a threaded mandrel. Do you have a tough job that really needs some material removal or refinishing? Well, the 74-piece sanding band assortment features 2 different sizes of sanding bands in grits from 60 to 600, taking you through the finishing process of coarse to refined, though not quite baby skin smooth. This kit includes 4 1/2" by 1/2" sanding bands in 7 different grits. It also has 6 bands in the same grits in the 1/4" by 1/2" size. One thing to note is that this kit also includes 4 1/8" shank drum mandrels, 2 for each size band. Our final assortment is kind of special. It includes 92 pieces of thin bristle discs in 3 sizes and 8 grits. Simply load 3 discs onto the screw mandrel and you are ready to go. No polishing compound is necessary as the abrasive is embedded throughout the disc, making it ideal for removing light fire scale, finishing, blending, and polishing precious and non-precious metals, acrylics, and ceramics. The kit includes 2 screw mandrels. Now that you've been introduced to the new assortment kits, make sure you stay tuned as we will share in more detail and give some great examples of how to use each of these kits to accomplish different jobs, helping you to make a better educated decision on which accessory is the right one for you and the job you are working on. We will see you soon.